how's it going? So today I just got ready and I am on my way to my laser hair removal appointment. It's at Clinic Dermatech and I think I'm a little late, so let's get to it. I made it, I'm here and we're just about to get started. So we're just setting everything up in this room and I can't wait. So we'll just get all of that shaved off first and then start the laser. So like I mentioned, the first thing they're gonna do is start shaving, and I think you need to remove like every bit of hair there is. You need very close shave before you do the laser because it really hurts otherwise. So that's what we're doing. And so she's applied the gel now. This is really quick. It's also painless. Excuse my face, I just got out of the shower. Today I am making a new presentation based on the presentation that I received from the decor guys. So we're trying to figure out the budget and what we want to add and subtract from the decor. Yeah, I'm trying to like create like the entire color palette, mood board, so that there's not much back and forth. And yeah, that's on the agenda today. So let's get started. Oh my god guys, I have spent hours, like hours on the laptop and it's finally done and I'm so happy with how the entire mood board turned out.
I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song.
Hey you guys, so today I am fresh off the airport. I'm in Delhi and I'm here at Aulerth. We are going to try out jewelry. I just had a meeting with them. We're trying to figure out what the outfits are looking like and if the jewelry kind of works out. So I'm just gonna go see them and I cannot wait to see all of the jewelry that they have. I really like the concept that they have where you can, I think it's called the loop, where you can return your heavier jewelry and get some of your cash back, or you can get like minimal jewelry instead of that once you're done with the function, which I thought was a brilliant idea because you don't really end up wearing those heavy sort of jewelry. So yeah, let's go check them out.
As you sleep, you don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Okay, so I have the full set on. It's really pretty. I really like it. Okay, so I'm trying this one. I think I really like this for like the traditional sort of wedding. I really genuinely like this. You know, sometimes when you see it on say a mannequin or just standing there, you don't really realize how pretty things are. And it also has like 2 different earring options. I think this one looks nice, huh? Yeah. I think these dangly droplet ones look nice on me. Hi! We have Muskan from Kalki here in Delhi. Thank you. You guys should come to the Kalki store here in South X and come say hi to Muskan. She's the best. This is nice. It's looking very regal on you. Yeah, this is quite nice. Very nice. No, size also, but also like the whole... I don't think I like this on you. But what do you think, Ma?
I don't like this.
Yeah, even I don't like this look. Yeah, yeah, I'm really liking this design work on you. Very nice. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, this looks good.
I think it's very dapper. I like the silhouette. Oh, this is really nice on you, Bhagwe. We can decide what we want to wear this on, but I really like it. You can either wear it at the wedding or the reception.
This will go very nice in wedding. Acha bhalo lagche eta.
So this is the first one I've tried. Very shimmery. I want something like gold or rose gold. This is the second one I've tried. I really like it. This color is amazing on you. Pink is your color. Yeah. Guys, you all look amazing. Very nice. I think these colors are meant to be for both of you. কেমন লাগলো?
অনেক ভালো,
বেশ হয়েছে?
বেশ বেশ হয়েছে।
কোনটা তোমার ফেভারিট?
আমার ফেভারিট মেহেন্দি ড্রেসটা।
Oh yeah, that was quite nice, na?
And I also like that magenta one.
Yeah, you were obsessed with that one.
Yes.
Plum colored
The
one.
lad, everyone liked that.
Ah.
And the pink one was an instant choice.
Yeah, I told you that was my first choice, that pink glittery one.
Yes.
What did you think?
It's a very nice collection.
Ah.
Nice place with lot of collections.
Yeah, you did your choices the fastest.
Yes. Yeah, I don't take time.
You were like
I-
done.
Always.